God damn it, I thought it would be smart. We're trying again. Welcome to a new video in this mini-series about the coupon feature. Today I'm going to show you a coupon used for cleaning personnel or janitors who want to give free cycles or a certain amount of free cycles in a period. Let me show you how it works. I create a coupon called my hardworking janitors. I can decide to give them 100% discount on all my laundries distributed to them specifically, and then it's triggered every time they use the laundry. If I want to put a certain limit on how many times they can use it, I can also give them a certain amount of free starts, for example 10 starts, and these 10 free starts they get is triggered once every month, and it should be given up front in this case. So now I have created the coupon, and then I just have to find my janitor to apply the coupon to. So my janitor is called Effie the Puck, and in here I can apply a coupon and press save. So now my janitor will have 10 free starts every month. That's it for this video in this little mini series about the new coupon feature. See you in the next video. Take 506. Second video.